Hello friend, my name is Chinmay Gaikwad and today date is 20 July 2023. So today I am going to give you the introduction on bubble shot in Java. So what is bubble shot? So we are going to see first the definition, then its types, how it, then explanation on of bubble shot algorithm. So let's see first its definition. So bubble shots works by comparing adjacent element and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. So this process is repeated for each element until the entire list is sorted. So let's see its type. What are the types of bubble shot? So there is only one main version of bubble shot algorithm. Means there is an optimized version called optimized bubble shot, so for or a flag bubble shot, and that reduce unnecessary iteration when the array is already sorted. So let's see each types of bubble shot. First is bubble shot, means basic version. So as described above, the basic version of bubble shot compare and swap adjacent element regardless of whether the array is already sorted or not. This version has the time complexity of uh, O in bracket n raised to 2 in the worst case. So next type is optimized bubble shot. So it is also called flag bubble shot. So this version introduces a flag to determine if any swap have occurred during an iteration. So if no swap occur in a pass, then it means the array is already sorted and the algorithm terminates earlier. So this reduces unnecessary iteration, making the algorithm more efficient or partial short or nearly short arrays. So the time complexity is still O in bracket n raised to 2 means in the worst case, but can be faster or on nearly shorted data. So this is the types. So let's see now basic explanation on of bubble shot algorithm. So basically it start with the first element to the list, means or array. So it then it's compare it with the next element, means second element, and then if the first element is greater or means for ascending order or smaller for descending order, then the second element swap them and move on the next pair of element, means second and third, and repeat this comparison and swapping process. So next it continue this process until you reach the end and of the list of array. So once you reach the end, the largest or smallest depending on the sorting order. So element will bubble to the end of the list. So it's repeat the process excluding the last element since it is already in its correct position. So it basically continue this step while the entire list is sorted. So this is the short intro of bubble shot. We have covered definition, types, and its basic explanation. So thank you, friends.